Okay, these two should be kind of solved the same way. Um, if you took your given equation here, they have two equations. One, y is equal to x cubed minus 6x squared plus 6x plus 3. And I'm just going to call that y1. And then you have a second equation, y2, which is negative x squared plus 7x minus 2. Okay, so if you're going through and trying to solve this, okay, some of you, like, you can look and see where the intersections are, okay, on the graph itself. If you tried to sketch the graph, if you entered each of these in the y1 and y2 editor on your calculator and then looked at the intersections, you would still be able to find them. However, that brings up some probably more complicated things that you would have to do. So what I would encourage you to do on this is solutions, or the intersections of graphs are shared solutions. And so if you just say, like, where are these equal to each other? Okay, if you just basically say, where is y1 equal to y2 and solve for x, that's going to give you all of your solutions. So the way I would do this is I would just put solve, type the first equation in, x cubed minus 6x squared plus 6x plus 3, set that equal to negative x squared plus 7x minus 2. Tell it you want to solve for x. Hit enter. It'll tell you what your values are. So you're looking for an x value at 5, 1, and negative 1. So you have negative 1, 1, and 5. And does it matter which of those equations you use to evaluate these points? If they're shared solutions, if they're points of intersection, it means they have the same solution. What that's going to mean is doesn't matter which one you use, you'll get the same answer. So I would probably use this equation right here. So if you just take that expression, this isn't the only way to do it, but it's one possible way. Negative x squared plus 7x minus 2. So if I know I want to evaluate that expression for 3 different things, what can I do easily? Anybody remember? If I use the with key and just plug x is equal to negative 1, so I get negative 10 here. All I have to do to test for 1 is delete the negative, so I get 4. And all I need to do to test for the 5 is change the 1 to a 5, and I get 8. And so those are going to give me my 3 different points for that.